Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now I know when people are looking at putting a pool in their yard, they want to find different ways to possibly cut costs without having to sacrifice either size of the pool or the design that they like. And I have a lot of people ask me the question, is it less expensive to go with a rectangular pool? And today on Pool Talk with Trish, I'm going to answer just that question. Does the shape of the pool affect the price of the pool? So let's dive in. Okay, so as it turns out, the shape of the pool is not necessarily what determines the price of the pool. So obviously the pool size is going to be one of the determining factors when it comes to the price of your pool. But also, there are many different brands when it comes to the fiberglass pools and many variations when it comes to the quality of the fiberglass pools. So for this video, we are going to be assuming we're talking about the same size pool roughly from the same brand. And we've talked about pool sizes before, so typically, as a general rule of thumb, if we're talking about a 12-foot wide pool, you're going to be in the small category. 14-foot wide pools would jump you up to the medium, and then your 16-foot wide pools would be what we consider a large fiberglass pool. And typically, your fiberglass pools are about twice as long as they are wide. So on the largest end of the pool spectrum when it comes to fiberglass pool sizes, you're looking at about a 16 by 40. And most of your medium-sized pools are going to be in kind of the 14 by 30 range. And then your smaller pools, 12 by 24, 12 by 25, maybe 12 by 26. And while there are some very basic rectangular shapes that will fall into the lower price point of the pool selections, there are lots of different shapes that have nice curvy designs that will also be in the lower price point of the pools. The things that would typically add to the price of the pool would be more of the features of the pool. So pools that have a lot of built-in seating or seat benches around the interior of the pool, that could increase the price of the pool. Or if you're looking at a pool shape that has a big splash pad or tanning ledge in the shallow end of the pool, that could be something that adds to the cost of the pool. So a nice curvy pool compared to even a rectangular pool with a splash pad, you may be less expensive with the curvy pool. Now again, the pool shape that you like, it's a personal preference. So a lot of people really do like the modern, clean lines of a rectangular pool, whereas a lot of people like to have a more curvy, freeform, natural looking pool. But whatever style you like, don't feel like you have to sacrifice that in order to stay in budget. There's lots of different options, lots of shapes and sizes to choose from, and you're sure to find the one that you love that turns your backyard into a true paradise. And as always, I'm here to answer any and all of your pool questions. You can call or text 210-834-7054. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.